I love creamy mac and cheese, and I also love buffalo chicken, so I combine the two. Let's make buffalo chicken mac and cheese. I use caramelized onion pepper jack cheese, cheddar, and mozzarella cheese. I use a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Get rid of the fat, skin, and bones, of course. The skin will get soggy once you mix it with the sauce, so trust me on that. I like to just use white meat. I added 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce, 1/4 cup of blue cheese dressing. Mix well and set it aside. Add half stick of unsalted butter to the skillet, only because the cheese, chicken, and pasta have plenty of salt. 1/4 cup of flour, mix well, and cook for about 2 minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Add 4.5 cups of whole milk, mix well, cook over medium heat for about 25 minutes. Make sure to stir frequently. You want the sauce to get nice and thick. Once it's thick, turn off the heat and add the cheese. Leave some behind for the top. I added a pinch of salt. Mix in the cooked till al dente pasta, chicken, mix well, take your time, check for seasoning. Top it off with the remaining cheese, bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, broil for 1 minute, and enjoy.